I'll find out details about Bristol, and I'll leave it in the. I'll leave it down below somewhere so you can have a read of it. Yeah, so it's this windy little roads that you get in the UK. You see that sign there? That tells you the speed limit. So that tells you that you can go 70 miles an hour. But I'm not quite sure that I want to do that on this narrow road. And so those are the road signs. So there are horses around here, and it's quite they call this the sticks. If you ever hear that somebody is living in the sticks, it's usually roundabout somewhere like this in the woods, in a wooded type, countryside type area, and this is just a flavor of that. So yeah, we're just on a winding narrow road in Bristol, trying to look for a hotel. We'll probably look for something to eat first, so we look for like a KFC, a burger joint that looks like a farm or something, or an antique store. So to my camera person, if you see something that looks like a monument or a sign, you can pan the camera to that. Okay, so nothing exciting. It's a dark, narrow, winding road, so you have to be extra careful around here, because it's a two-way lane as well, so there are cars coming in the opposite direction, and as I said, there's a winding road, so you come onto a bend and suddenly a car launches at you, so really caution is advised whilst going round. It's quite a hilly bit actually. It's a bit uphill. We've been driving for a good 2 hours now, by the way. We live in Kent. We are Dartford in Kent, and this is Bristol, so it's a good 2 hour 40 minutes thereabout drive on a good day on a clear road. It could be up to 4 hours if you had traffic, but anyway, I think we're in between that, somewhere between the 2 hour something and the 3 hour something mark. So we've made good time. A bit of traffic on the road, but we're getting there, and the road just winds, and that looks like a thing. I'm not quite sure what that says. Something cottage it says. I wonder if that's a business or somebody actually lives there. I think I'm holding up traffic, so I'm just going to end it here, and I shall get back to you.
Colo mentality.
If you say if economy, I don't